Today we're going to be unboxing a Canon air filter. This particular air filter is to go into a 4-inch OD pipe, and it's quite a large air filter. It's for a Supra. So let's have a little look. Nice packaging, huge air filter. Part number for everybody. Comes with a Canon logo on the end of the air filter. You can just see it there. Also comes with a stainless steel Jubilee clip, the standard. Inside the box we have a sticker and a few promotional parts. The main details are on the box though, if anybody's interested. Here are the details. If you're looking for something like this, please give us a call or find us on camauto.com. Thank you.